Hey guys, let's see how to get free ghee from Country Delight. But please do watch this video till the end, then only you'll have a complete picture. Hello, namaste. How you all doing? Welcome to Flying Skies 1. நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? आप कैसे हो? நீங்கள் சுகமானோ? Yes, as you see in the picture, have taken milk packet of Country Delight. So this milk contains 6% fat. Regularly the milk we get in the market is only 3% fat. So we are getting ghee from this. Let's see how we can do this. As you see in the picture, this is 1 liter of milk. I have boiled it. When the milk is lukewarm, you curdle it with thick curd as shown in the picture. Once you curdle it to make curd, just wait the next day and you see a thick creamy layer is formed on curd. You got to take this and save it for 7 days and make sure you save this thick cream in a refrigerator lest it becomes rancid or turns sour. As you see in the picture, have collected this thick cream for 7 to 10 days, and on the last day you can see here I'm taking again the thick cream from the curd. Please don't skip the video, watch till the end because this is very useful. It helps you out. As shown in the picture, this is the cream I have collected for 10 days with 10 liters of milk. Now you got to wait for 2 hours until the cream gets to its room temperature. As you see in the picture, once it gets to the room temperature, you got to take a thick bottom pan. Otherwise, you can take a skillet or kadai and put the thick cream into it as shown in the picture. You just have to churn it. Say minimum 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. It doesn't take much time. As shown in the picture. After churning for 2 to 3 minutes, you see the butter came up. And that's it you got to do. Is it simple and easy? Now turn on the flame. You go on high flame and keep churning the butter as shown in the picture. You got to keep churning. As shown in the video, take off the churner from the kadai or skillet and keep stirring the butter. You got to keep stirring the butter for 20 to 25 minutes of time on high flame. Otherwise, the butter gets burnt. As you see in the picture, the butter is turning thicker and you see the ghee getting separated. At this point of time, you can go for making rasmalai, rasgulla or kalakand. With this semi-finished ghee, it tastes super good. You can try once. Now almost the ghee is ready, but I am waiting for other 2 minutes until the butter turns golden brown, just to increase the shelf life of the ghee. So this is the tip you got to follow. As shown in the picture, it turned to golden brown. Now turn off the flame. Just strain it with the strainer as shown in the picture. If any of you watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications without fail. Thank you all for all your love and support. Thank you so much. As you see in the video, when you are straining the ghee, you see a residue, and you can have this residue with a mix of sugar or jaggery. It tastes good and you can make kalakand with this. As you see in the picture, I have just got 250 grams of ghee with 10 liters of milk. After ghee getting cold, you can save it or store it in a container as shown in the picture, and it is fresh and it tastes good and it smells good at least for 6 to 8 months just without adding any preservatives. And you can check out with the Country Delight ghee that is officially sold on the app. With this ghee there would be no difference in terms of aroma, taste and texture, thus proving the purity of ghee served to its customers, right? Just like its milk, hence proved, right? Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. And if you like this video, do subscribe, share.